why you need to start investing in real estate while you're still young. Here's a little story for you. The reason why I started investing in real estate was because I had a huge spending problem. Every time I got a commission check, I'd put it in the bank and had access to it, and therefore spent it on stupid crap like clothes and purses and food. So although I was making tons of money, my money wasn't growing in the bank, it was declining. To fix this problem, I bought my first investment property. Investing my money into the building, I wouldn't have access to it, so therefore I wouldn't be able to spend it. Today, my investment has nearly quadrupled. I know a lot of you are thinking that there's no way in hell that you guys could afford to buy an investment property in this crazy market, right? But there is a way. You invest in a company like Fundrise. Fundrise is an online investment platform that uses your investment and the investment of others to buy real estate across the US. You can start with a minimum of $10. This is how you get started. Click the link in my bio, click Invest in Fundrise, get started. Answer a few questions and choose your investment goals, and that's it. You're on your way to owning your first piece of real estate.